Hello my love, this is my first vlog. Hope you enjoy. Of course we can't travel without a pedicure and a full set of nails first. Here I'm just enjoying my massage before heading to my brother's graduation. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. If you enjoy, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my future videos. I will be posting every single Thursday. And this is the after of my pedicure. I love the color white on my skin tone. Okay my loves, now it's time for my lashes. Yesterday I did get my nails done, like you guys see. They are stunning. I'm obsessed with them. But now it's time for the lashes. This is what that before looks like. We're close and personal, but this is how the before looks like. And then I will show you guys how the after looks like. It does take an hour to do a fill. I'll be back in a few seconds for you guys. For me, it's in an hour. I'll see you in a little bit. And this is the after. They look amazing. What do you guys think? After an hour and 30 minutes, but the result is amazing. Now it's finally the time to head out to my brother's, and I can't explain how excited we are, but first let's just take a minute to appreciate this beautiful view. Time for the ceremony to start. Here you will see my brother. There is no words to explain how happy and how proud we are to see him achieve his dream of becoming a petroleum engineer. Here is a great example that hard work and dedication does pay off at the end. We are beyond happy and proud of my brother. Now it's time to celebrate. We rented a cabin for this special occasion, and of course we surprised him by decorating it. This is how the decoration looked like. And also I do want to mention that I did bake his cake the same day to surprise him even more. I will leave the name of this cabin in the screen for you guys. It was a perfect size for a family of 12. This is what the entrance looked like. This cabin really made us feel like we were at home. The living room was really big and spacious. It also came with a foosball table that was really fun for the kids. The dining area was super big and roomy for all of our family to be able to sit down and eat together. And here is the kitchen. It was a pretty good size for our whole family to be able to cook together. This cabin was perfect. It comes with 5 bedrooms and it also has 4 restrooms. Also, I want to mention that this cabin does have 2 floors, so be aware of the stairs. Our favorite part was the pool table, especially for the guys. They had a blast playing this game. This cabin also comes with the beautiful jacuzzi. It was super relaxing for our family, and we were able to enjoy it together. Also, let's not forget about this beautiful view that we got to see every single day that we were there. This cabin is so big that we didn't even get to sit on this table, but it was nice to know that it was out there in case we needed it. Also, the guys got to enjoy this beautiful view while they cook some delicious food. Overall, we had a great vacation, and of course, we did stop at one of the casinos. It was super fun. Even though we didn't win any money, we still had a lot of fun. That's what matters. Now it's time to head back home. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on Thursday. If you're curious of what I wore for my brother's graduation, it's this beautiful yellow outfit that I got for Shein.